How to use IRMO AI app. So here's a IRMO AI video photo generator app. It's pretty cool app which you can use to generate the short video templates, short videos with like AI kissing, AI hugging, it's like romantic kiss, hot kiss, celebs kiss, all of these things which you can use. And then there is like a AI videos. You need to upgrade to this app to be able to use it. There is no free version. There is free trial, but only on the yearly subscription. So that's just what you have in here. Yeah, so basically I upgraded and I will show you. So for example, if you have celebs kiss, you just select two separate photos, or you can select a group photo. So two separate photos, a group photo. And then, yeah, you are able to generate a AI kiss video. So for example, here is what I've got. So here is selfie, Scarlett Johansson photo, and then you can just see this is what you might get. So the quality is it can be quite cringe, but the quality is actually good. And then you can just download it, and then you can also remove watermark in the paid version. You still getting some credits left, so you're getting like I think 100 credits with a paid subscription. And then yeah, you can just use it, this app just like that. So that's how you get started.